Thank you for being here today to help launch the Justice High School Metrobus pilot and celebrate the success of the free student bus pass program in Fairfax County. As part of this program, in just 3 short years, students in Fairfax County have taken more than 1 million trips on Fairfax Connector and City of Fairfax Q.
I would like to thank WMATA for becoming one of our partners in this endeavor and for helping us to provide more transportation opportunities for our students in Fairfax County. This program encourages the use of our existing transportation infrastructure and helps us to move more people in a more efficient way. I want to express my sincere thanks and congratulations to all of our partners in this effort.
As you probably all know, whether you travel with your parents or those of you who drive yourselves, our roads in this region are incredibly congested. And if we can ease that, if we can create environmental benefits by having a new generation of transit users, it is to the benefit of all of us. And certainly I think as you grow into adults wherever you live, whether it's in this region or elsewhere, having these early experiences where you recognize the value of transit for your own mobility, your own freedom, and environmental benefits is truly a wonderful thing.
Yeah, I think it's a great idea and I'm really excited to use it because some students, they miss the bus a lot and they have to walk to school sometimes and it takes, a really long time to get here. Some of my friends work, so they're gonna be using the pass to get to work too.